around the trading world. But the big rally from the GameStop stock actually has Hollywood doing some thinking.
Deadline is reporting NPM has scored the rights to a book proposal about the Wall Street Bets Reddit forum that propelled GameStop stock in defiance of large hedge funds. The book, called The Antisocial Network, is from New York Times best-selling author Ben Mesrick. He's the author of The Accidental Billionaire, the founding of Facebook, A Tale of Sex, Money, Genius, and Betrayal, which was adapted into the Oscar-winning film The Social Network in 2010. Mr. Mateo, CBS News.
Well, we can tell you that GameStop stock was down about 31% today, but the markets across the board doing some gaining. Andrew O'Day is at Bloomberg. Good way to start a week, a day, a month, whatever.
Yeah, indeed. Dow closes up 230 points. That's almost a percent. Nasdaq up 332. S&P 500 up 60. The upheaval brought on by the tug of war between big Wall Street firms, short-selling troubled stocks, and individual traders inspired by Reddit message boards bidding those same stocks up, calmed down at least a little. At least enough for the market today. Since the unveiling of its first Sync in-car infotainment system in 2007, Ford has relied on Microsoft as a tech partner. Today, the company reveals it's switching teams, signing a 6-year deal with Google that will bring Android technology to Ford and Lincoln vehicles, as well as Google's cloud services to Ford factory floors. Ford and Google also forming an innovation team called Team Upshift to work jointly on future projects. Andrew O'Day, Bloomberg Business on WBZ Boston's News Radio.
There are all kinds of voice-controlled gadgets in your house. Tell one of them to play WBZ News Radio on iHeartRadio and see what happens. It begins when you look at your floor. You think, ooh, we gotta freshen up this place. Then you say, we need carpeting. Then you think again, but not just any carpeting. We need beautiful designer carpeting. Names like Karastan, Lee, Bigelow. Then you worry, oh, what kind of place is great store-wide shavings and water selection of flooring that's close by? Which is what you hear on the radio.
That's when you meet me. My name is Joe Paolini, and my family has owned Post Road Carpet One in Acton for over 44 years. When you walk into our 18,000 square foot showroom, we will help you find the right flooring to make your home reflective of your personal style. From hardwood to Karastan carpeting, area rugs, luxury vinyl tile, Hunter Douglas blinds, and much, much more. Mention you heard this ad on WBZ and receive an additional 10% off materials. We have it all. Come visit us at Post Road Carpet One of Acton.com or give us a call.